Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 33-foot roll of a rubberized silicone tape. Now a lot of times you need different types of tape for different types of applications. This would be great if you're using this for any kind of plumbing or electrical application, or it can be used for even more commonly used household items like rewrapping baseball bat handles, tennis rackets, and other kind of sports apparatus. So a lot of times if handles and things like that are going bad, this is a great way to do that because this is 1 inch thick and it doesn't stick with anything really but to itself. So what we can do is get it started here. It has a piece of plastic on the back. We can pull this off of here and get it started. And what you can do is start applying this onto whatever it is that you're wanting the additional grip to. Now this is a rubberized silicone, so you can see it's kind of got a rubberized texture there. And just by simply pulling it taut and wrapping it around, this will start adhering to itself. And it will be providing a nice rubberized grip that will allow you to have that wonderful grip or insulation onto this product as well. Now, easily cut it, store it. This will work great in anything as far as temperature-wise, down to about -85 degrees up to about 500 degrees. So it has a lot of versatility as far as weathered applications. But even the smooth like grip here that doesn't have a lot of grip, it gets down to here and you can see it sticks. It's a heftier grip. So to wrap something like that for applications would be a fantastic option.